Hello, everybody. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another exciting session here on Mindset Avenue, your go-to channel for improving your English, boosting your confidence, and transforming your mindset, one lesson at a time. In today's video, we've got something super powerful for you. I'm going to share 15 simple but essential English words that you must know if you want to speak fluent English. Yes, you heard that right. If you understand these 15 words, and more importantly, if you know how to use them in conversation, your English will instantly sound clearer, more natural, and more confident. Now, these are not just any words. These are words that show up in everyday conversations, at work, at home, with friends, and even in interviews. They're easy but extremely powerful when used the right way. So here's your mission today. Watch the full video, learn these 15 words, repeat after me, and practice speaking them. Yes, this is not just a video, it's a speaking practice session too. And by the way, I'm Liba, your certified English language teacher, qualified by the University of Cambridge, UK, and I'm here to help you reach your English goals step by step. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Mindset Avenue, like this video, and share it with someone who's also learning English. Ready to boost your vocabulary, improve your speaking, and get closer to fluency? Let's jump into these 15 essential English words, and trust me, once you know them, you'll feel the difference in your English right away. 1. Opportunity. Ever feel like something big is just waiting for you, but you're not sure when it's going to show up? Well, that's opportunity knocking. It's not just about chance, it's the perfect moment that appears, ready to be grabbed. You have to be ready when it shows up. For example, the opportunity to work with a top company appeared when she was least expecting it. Opportunity isn't random. It's about recognizing the perfect moment when it arrives. Are you ready for it? 2. Achieve. What does it really mean to achieve something? It's more than just crossing off a to-do list. It's the moment you set a goal, put in the effort, and then stand back and look at what you've made happen. Think about it, that feeling of accomplishment. For example, after years of hard work, she was finally able to achieve her dream of becoming an artist. Achieve is about pushing through, getting stronger, and reaching your dreams. Isn't that the best feeling? 3. Difficult. You've probably heard people say, "This is going to be difficult," and instantly felt a little overwhelmed. But here's the thing. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. It just means it's going to take effort, perseverance, and maybe even some creativity to get through. For example, the road was difficult, but with every step, he got closer to his goal. Difficult is that reminder that challenges make us stronger. So what's your next difficult task going to be? 4. Success. You've dreamed of it, worked for it, and now you're here. Success. But what is it really? It's more than just the finish line. Success is everything that led up to that moment, every effort you made, and every setback you overcame. For example, after all the hard work and sleepless nights, she finally tasted success. Success is the sweet reward after hard work. But don't forget, there's always more to achieve after you've reached one milestone. What's next for you? Motivation. Ever feel like you just can't get started? Motivation is that spark that makes you say, "I'm going to do this." It's the drive that gets you moving, even when your energy is low. But motivation doesn't always show up on its own. You have to summon it. For example, her motivation to finish her degree kept her focused even during the toughest times. Without motivation, we'd never get anywhere. It's the energy that drives us forward, no matter the obstacles. What motivates you? 6. Improve. Do you want to get better at something? Improve is the word you need. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting better step by step. It's the small things you do every day that add up and lead to big changes. For example, he wanted to improve his public speaking, so he practiced every day in front of the mirror. Every day is an opportunity to improve. It's about consistency and growth. What's something you can improve right now? 7. Focus. Have you ever tried to work, but distractions keep pulling you away? That's where focus comes in. It's the power to ignore everything else and lock in on what you need to do. Focus isn't just about paying attention. It's about setting your mind on one thing and making it happen. For example, to finish her project on time, she had to focus completely and ignore all distractions. Without focus, we lose direction. So how are you going to stay focused today? 8. Commitment. Commitment is a powerful word, isn't it? It's not just about saying you'll do something. It's about making a promise and sticking to it. Commitment is the action you take every single day to keep moving forward, no matter how hard it gets. For example, he made a commitment to his health and kept working out even when he was tired. Being committed is about persistence. When you commit, you show up, even when the path gets tough. Are you committed to your goals? 9. Believe. Do you ever find yourself doubting what you're capable of? That's where believe comes in. To believe in yourself is to trust that you have what it takes to reach your dreams, even if you can't see the whole path yet. For example, she believed in her abilities even when no one else did. Believe in yourself, and the world will open up to you. What do you believe is possible for you? 10. Failure. Failure. Nobody wants it, right? But here's the twist. Failure isn't the end of the story. It's just the beginning. Failure is the lesson, the teacher that shows you what you need to change and how to get back up again. For example, his first attempt was a failure, but it taught him exactly what to improve. Failure is where we learn, grow, and become better. So, what did you learn from your last failure? 11th challenge. When you hear the word challenge, do you feel fear or excitement? A challenge is a test, a way to push your limits and see what you're truly capable of. It's not about avoiding difficulty, it's about embracing it to grow stronger. For example, he faced the challenge of starting a new business, but he embraced it wholeheartedly. Every challenge is an opportunity to rise. What challenge are you ready to take on? 12th, consistent. Here's a word that might sound simple, but it's so powerful. Consistent. It's not about doing everything all at once. It's about showing up every day, no matter how you feel. Consistency is the key to making long-term progress. For example, she was consistent with her practice, and over time, her skills improved. It's all about being consistent, doing the right thing day in and day out. What can you stay consistent with? 13. Confidence. We all want to feel confident, right? But confidence isn't just about looking sure of yourself on the outside. It's about knowing deep down that you've got what it takes. It's about trusting yourself even when others doubt you. For example, he walked into the room with confidence, knowing he had prepared for this moment. With confidence, you can conquer anything. How confident are you in your abilities today? 14. Knowledge isn't just about learning facts. It's about understanding the world around you and using what you know to make better decisions. The more knowledge you have, the more power you hold. For example, her deep knowledge of science helped her become a leader in her field. Knowledge is the key to making smart choices. So what new knowledge will you learn today? 15. Patience. Everyone talks about patience, but do you really know what it means? Patience isn't just about waiting. It's about trusting that things will unfold in their own time. It's the calm in the storm, the faith that things are moving forward even when you can't see it yet. For example, he waited with patience, knowing that success doesn't come overnight. Patience is about knowing that the best things in life take time. How can you practice more patience today? Thanks for watching Mindset Avenue. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Subscribe for more English practice and motivational stories. And remember, every big dream starts with a small step.